Oh my God. Oh, I broke my tool trying to do it.
All right, guys, I'm gonna show you first that we have the earplug mod in this Max, and then I'll show you how I did it. All right, guys, so we got the earplug mod in here. The truck feels a little different already, not too much, but let's try it out. It has a new gear in there, and I also put these new steering rods on here from GPM. It eliminates the old plastic ones. She's standing up a lot better. I wonder if I could take the wheelie bar off and she'll do like standing backflips. Let's check out the ballooning tires real quick. Oh wow, yeah. She just flips over now. Oh my gosh. Look at them, they're all spinning. They're all spinning the same speed. That's really what you want. Oh yeah, look at that. Let's go see if we can jump off a tree. Oh, she seems feistier now. Oh yeah. Oh, she flips way easier. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, it's so much easier to control in the air too. I say she's a certified ripper again. All right guys, it's late here at the shop, but I got my Max all tore apart because I blew the spur gear out of it finally since January. I've had that same spur gear in there and it finally blew out. So we have a brand new spur gear right here. And yes, I am covered in gunk right now. But I'm currently taking out the center diff because I'm going to do the earplug mod. And we're gonna put some of these in this bad girl, so I just gotta crack her open real quick. All right, so now we took off those 4 little screws and we are inside of our diff. And as you can see, there's all this liquid in here. And we wanna take all of this out. It's kind of silicone-y as well, but it's not as thick as those earplugs. So let's go ahead and scrape some of this out. This was my stock center diff though in my Max, and I had no issues with it. I'm just ready to try something new since I'm already tearing into this, trying to clean everything. It's either gonna make it do quadruple backflips or I'm gonna blow out literally everything. If you guys would like to see any more, ooh, look at this. If you guys would like to see any more live streams, let me know. Only did one, but look at that. Oh yeah, now we're getting all of it. Look at that. That was a big piece right there. Ooh, I'll show you a little pile I got going here in just a second. You can also just leave this video as long as it is or edit down. You guys let me know what you like. Probably edit this one down. And if you want the long ones where sometimes we ramble and just say stupid stuff, let me know. I just cut out stuff that I don't think people would enjoy. All right guys, so this is the little pile that I have created over here of the little goop. And these are the extra little parts that I have here that I'm gonna have to put back in. But let's go ahead and get the earplugs unboxed. So this is what they look like here. And we're essentially just going to stuff these in there. First, let's get our gear back together. Okay, so they are all spinning. All right, so that's without anything in them. Let's get one of our earplugs here. So what you have to do is you have to tear pieces off of it. Essentially stuff it in here. So all we're doing is just stuffing it in here. And let's, I mean, yeah, you can barely even spin that. Oh yeah, look at how tough that is now. We want it to get all down in here. Got another one here. All right, so you see it's all, that's one whole one in there. I bet I could fit a little bit more in there. We're gonna zip her back up and just see if I can even spin this thing at this point. Now, I essentially gotta see if I can spin this thing, because this is pretty tough. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I think I'm bending the Traxxas bit. Yeah, I think I bent my bit doing that. Let's not do that with that bit. Oh yeah, here's some cheap little thing. Probably break off and
Yeah, this is tough now, guys. Really tough. I'm just doing this to try to get it all worked in there. So now I'm gonna take it back apart and we're gonna see if we should put any more in there. That side is stuck down in there. This whole side should have came out with it, but it's literally so sticky that this side is stuck in there. My shaft has created something nice here, and it tells me that we need just a wee bit more. So about another half of one, I would say. And I plan on doing this to pretty much all of my trucks, but we're gonna test it out on this one. I haven't done this, but my buddy Nick has done this to his before. Go ahead and do just a little bit more. Nah, I think that's enough. Then zipper back up here. Now let's try it out again. See how strong, where's that poor sap of a tool that I'm using here. Oh my God. Oh, I broke my tool trying to do it. Oops. Jesus. I snapped that tool right in half. Trying to move that gear. Yeah, it's gonna be tough. Okay, I can't even move it now with pliers, so. But because I'm just gonna leave it in there like this, but that's what you're supposed to have. You're supposed to have it where you cannot turn it, because you need it to where essentially it can turn if it needs to, but this is essentially a diff locker, like welding your diff on a real car. So it is going to help in many, many ways. And we're gonna see what it does to practically, I mean, my Max is completely stopped. So. All right, so you saw I broke a tool trying to turn it. So this is now gonna go back in my car and we'll get a video of it. I'll show you putting it back in there a little bit. All right guys, she's all back in here. As you can see, she's spinning. She's spinning. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial video on how I put earplugs in the center diff of my Max. If you guys have any questions about it or need any help and some advising on which earplugs I went with, feel free to comment. I'll reply to all of them. Thank you so much.